So, good morning, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA educational channel. Today we are going to discuss about NMMS mental ability test questions. So, this examination was held in the month of March 2022. This is related to the Telangana state. So, today we shall concentrate on mental ability test. At least we will try to complete 30 to 40 questions today and remaining questions completed tomorrow. So, total question paper will be discussed in clear manner. So, I actually suggest all the aspirants of NMMS. So, please go through the every question here. So, what are the types of the questions will be given in the examination, that will be discussed, and also the clear directions will be given how to solve the problem. Some techniques and tips and tricks will be discussed during our session. Okay, let us start with without wasting our time. So, let us start our session. So, this is actually NMMS TS NMMS 2022 previous examination mental ability MAT questions. There are MAT actually 90 questions. Today we are going to cover at least 40 questions. So, 40 questions will be covered during this session. So, if you have any doubts, you can chat with me. So, you can actually have any doubts also after completion of this video. You can watch it and also you can post through the live chat session. So that I can interact in tomorrow onwards also. Okay, let us move to the first one now. Here 1 to 10 we have the directions, 1 to 10 questions. First let us read the directions first. So in this examination actually 1 to 10 questions in the number series given. This is actually related to the number series. Okay, one number is missed. That means actually in the given series one number is missing. Each series followed by the 4 alternatives. That means first option, second option, third option and fourth option. One of them is the right answer. Indicate it as per the instructions. So, as for the instructions we need to indicate. So, my humble request to all the aspirants of NMMS means first read the directions. Directions are very important. Very important. So, that means 1 to 10 problems are related to the number series. That's only you need to find out. In mental ability test we have number series. Already we had a discussion in our previous classes. Number series also in particular we have studied. You can watch those number series also in under logical reasoning. Okay, now that means 1 2 questions are actually based on number series. So, number series will be given and amongst one number will be missed. That number has to be actually we need to find out. So, there will be the 4 alternatives. So, one of the correct option is to be selected and that is to be written in the actually special sheet itself only, that is answer sheet. Okay, right. So, now let us move to the directly questions now. First question, let us move to the first question. So, this is the first question, right. See the first question. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and question mark and 17. Let me write here solution for what is given. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, question mark and 17. So, question mark we need to find out. So, can you find out any pattern among the given numbers, these given numbers? So, generally the first priority in the number series should be given for the prime numbers. First priority should be given prime numbers. So, let us check whether they are the prime numbers or not. Yes, they are the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17 are the prime numbers. So we can write now here the prime numbers. So here actually it follows the prime numbers pattern. Prime numbers. So prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers actually? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. So missing is 13. So that means question mark is equal to 13. So our answer is second option. I hope you might have understood this question. So let us move to the second series now. Second question. Second question, that is second question. Let us move to the second question now. This is the second question. Right, this is the second question. So let me rewrite the question once again. 5, 11, 17, question mark, 31 and 41. So just observe the given series. That's a very important thing is you need to observe, you need to see just like from the eagle eye point of view. So that means actually you need to observe the given numbers. What are the given numbers here? 5, 11, 17, question mark, 31 and 41. Again they are prime numbers. Again they are prime numbers. But it follows some pattern. Prime numbers. But you can see the prime numbers once again. Write down what are the prime numbers actually here. So 5, you have 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, next 23, 26, 27, 28, 20, 31, 32, 33, 37, next 41. So that means actually if you observe 7, 13, 19 and next 1 minute. 13 actually after that 17 is there, 19 is missing, 19, right, 19 after we can observe one more pattern, right. Otherwise you can say observe one pattern also here. See 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, okay, 17 plus 6 and next plus 6. So and next see actually 5, 11, okay, right. Here is a one more pattern you can observe. What are the prime numbers? You can let us write 5, 7, 11, right, 13, 17, 17 after 19, 23, 29, next we have 31, next 32, 33, 37, next 41. See now write down what is the pattern given here actually. 5, write down the pattern 5, 11, 17, 1 is missing. Actually here alternative prime numbers we are considering. 17 after 23, 23 after 31, 31 after 41. So our required number is this 23, missing number. Question number is equal, question mark is equal to 23. So our answer is 23. So this problem is also related to the prime numbers itself only, but alternative prime numbers have been selected here. So among them 5, 11, 17 and 31, 41 given, missing is 23. So our answer is 23. I hope it's very clear to you. So now let us move to the next question, third question. So third question, this is the third question, right. See the pattern here. So just Look at the question very carefully. So what is given actually here? Given series is 7, 13, 21 and question mark 43 and 57. So if you observe, this series is increasing series, but not rapidly increasing, it is slowly increasing. So that means increasing means actually you can use difference method. So generally you see 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 8 21, okay, 8 plus 2 10, okay, let us try like this, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, let us try. See, 43 plus 14 is, you will be getting 57. Yes, this actually this series follows this pattern. So adding 6 to the 7 you get 13, adding 8 to the 13 you get 21. So if you want to find out the question mark is equal to 21 plus 10, obviously 31. So our answer is 31. So which is the right option? Yes, third one is the right option. Right. So let us move to the now the fourth question. Let us move to the fourth question now. Fourth question. Fourth one. Right. So let us move to the fourth one. Actually, if you observe this question, first of all, fourth question. So let me write once again clearly on the board. 3, 15, 35, question mark 99 and 143. So if you observe the series, it is rapidly increasing. When it is rapidly increasing, so they may be square numbers, perfect squares, or there may be perfect cubes, or they may be actually what they may follow some geometrical progression pattern. So they may multiplication may be involved. So that means actually here see, now if you observe, this 3 can be written as actually here see, for example, here it is nearer to the 4 perfect square. 4 minus 1 you can write, that means 2 square minus 1 you can write. Let us try. This is 16 minus 1. So 16 minus 1 is equal to, you can write 4 square minus 1. This is 6 square minus 1, because 36 minus 1 35. We do not know this one 100, that means 10 square minus 1. This is 144 minus 1, so 12 square minus 1. So now from here you observe the pattern. What is the pattern you need to observe means actually 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, next you will be getting 6 plus 2. That means question mark is equal to, you will be getting 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 square and minus 1. What is the value of 8 square? Yes, you are correct. 8 square is equal to 64 and minus 1. So you will be getting 63. So our answer is 63. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, now let us move to the next question, fifth question now. Fifth one, right. Fifth question. So all of you look at the question carefully, read the question also. Right, let me write once again. 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 10, 11 and question mark. So this is the actually combination of 2 or 3 series actually here. So just observe one thing, 2 plus 2 4, right, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So our answer is 10. The question mark is equal to 8 plus 2. Our answer is 10. Right. So the second option is the right option. That's all. So just by the first observation only we'll get the answer. But even you can try. So this also 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus One more series also you can find out here. Actually 1 plus 3 4 like this, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, but we need not require. Actually here next number you will be getting 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So if the next number is also missing, that also we can find out with the help of other patterns also, but one pattern is enough actually. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So our answer is 10. Second option is the right option. Okay, let us move to the sixth question now. Sixth question. So let us observe the sixth question now. This is sixth one. So very interesting series actually. Here see, observe. We have 0, 7, 26, question mark and 124, 215. Just observe. See, if you observe 124 and 215, just concentrate the last two numbers of the series. 124 is nearer to the 125, whereas 215 is the nearer to the 216. See, 125 is nothing but 5 cube. Am I correct? So 216 is 6 cube, whereas next 64 is 4 cube. Next we have 8 is equal to 2 cube. Next 1 is equal to 1 cube. So with the help of 1, 8, 64, 125, 216, are we able to write this 0, 7, 26 and also missing number 124, 225? Why not? We can write it. How do we write? See, so this 0 can be written as 1 cube minus 1. Okay. How do you get 0? Just imagine. Why not? 1 cube is 1. 1 minus 1, 0 only. 7. 7 can be obtained from 8. So that is 2 cube minus 1. So this is nothing but 3 cube. We have missed 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. So this is 27 minus 1. That is nothing but 3 cube minus 1. Obviously this will be 4 cube minus 1. This will be 5 cube minus 1. So this follows the pattern like this, n cube minus 1 pattern. This pattern is called n cube minus 1 pattern. So this is 6 cube minus 1. But we need this value, question mark. See, the question mark is equal to 4 cube minus 1. So what is the value of 4 cube? Yes, 64. So now the get it 1 has to be subtracted from 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. Yes, our answer is 63. So third option is the right option. Okay, sixth one we have completed. Let us move to next question. Seventh question. Seventh one. Let us try to complete seventh one. Right. So this is the seventh question. Seventh question. See the question once again, all of you observe. 1, 1, 8 and question mark and 27, 9, 64. Okay. It's very simple, very simple. 64 is actually cube. Am I correct now here? 64 is cube. Cube of 4. 9 is square. 27 is actually, here you remember one thing. This 27 and also 64, 8. So they are nothing but, you can see 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27 and 4 cube is equal to 64. Right. So let us try to write down. This we can write 4 cube. This we can write 3 cube. This we can write 2 cube. This we can write 1 cube. But is there any pattern for this number and this number and this number? Let us try to figure it out. Then you will get the answer. Suppose 3 cube is there, the 9 we can write 3 square. So whenever 1 cube is there, again to get 1 you can write 1 square. Already 2 cube, the question mark corresponds to 2 square. the value of question mark equals to 2 square. So the question mark is equal to, you get 2 square whose value is 2 times 2. So my dear students, you will get 4. So answer is 4. So which is the right option? Just select it. So first one is the right option, right? I hope you might have understood this one. So let us move to the 8th question. 8th question. 8th one. This is the 8th question. Just all of you look at the question. 220 question mark 110 and 182. In this given number series, you need to find out the missing value or missing number you need to find out. So do you have any idea to crack this problem? You can share in the live chat session. Do you have any idea? So let us see now. Can I write like this? 1 into 2. This I will write 4 into 5. Next, let us write as the product of consecutive numbers. This we can write 10 into 11. So 10 into 11. Right. Now we need to figure it out the pattern. See what is the pattern behind this one, means 1 plus 3. Next 4 plus 3. Next plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7 into next 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Next followed by the plus 3 pattern. Now 13. 13 into this will be 14. Just multiply 13 times 14. 14 3 ja 42. So 52. Yes, 182 is absolutely correct. So that means the missing number is 7 times 8. So missing number is equal to 7 times 8. Obviously the missing number is 56. So what is our answer? Yes, first option is the right option. Okay, next let us move to the 9th one. 9th one. 9th one. So let us move to the 9th one. This is the 9th question, right? See 3, 8, 35, 48, question mark and 120. It is a increasing pattern itself only. The number series is given in the increasing pattern. Rapidly increasing. Rapidly increasing means we need to make use of either squares or cubes itself only. So 35 is 36 minus 1, you can write, right? This is 49 minus 1. This will be 9 minus 1. This will be 4 minus 1. Okay, now it has been cracked. So based on squares only, that means it follows the pattern n square minus 1 pattern. This pattern is called formula, that is n square minus 1. So this we can write now, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1. So this is 3 square minus 1. This is actually we have next one is pattern 6 square minus 1. This pattern is 7 square minus 1. Okay, this pattern you follow. This pattern is what? 121, 11 square minus 1. So that means now you see the combination 2, 3, 6, 7. So next 10, 11. So that means actually this one will be 10 square minus 1. So the question mark is equal to 10 square minus 1. What is the value of 10 square? Yes, you are correct. That is 100. So 100 minus 1 is 99. So our answer is 99. So missing number is 99. But but actually the every number follows this one. Total pattern is not n square minus 1. Each number has in this form n square 1 minus 1 form. Okay, now let us move to the last question in this model, 1 to 10 questions as for the given directions now. So next question, right. So this is the question. See 3, 6, 24, 30, 63, 72, question mark and 132. Just take your own time. Try to crack this problem. Try to crack this problem. This is actually combination of the, it may be two series. 8, 24, 63 and next question mark 6, 30, 72 and 132 is the other series. You take it other series. So now the consider the first series 3, 24, 63 and question mark, right. 3, 24, 63 and question mark. Try to figure out the actually pattern. What is the pattern actually here? See 2 square minus 1. This is 5 square minus 1. This is 8 square minus 1. Okay. Again we need to find out the pattern for 2, 5, 8 also. What is the pattern? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3. That will be 11. So the question mark is equal to 11 square minus 1. So the question mark is equal to, obviously we get 11 square minus 1. 11 square is 121 and 121 minus 1. So our answer is 120. Right? I hope you might have understood. So option is fourth option. So far we have completed 10 questions in the question paper. Right? Let us move to next instructions, directions for the next 10 questions. Next 10 questions. First, my dear students, all of you try to concentrate this one. Read yourself also once again. See, question number from 11 to 20, the following directions are to be actually followed. In these questions, a figure is divided into the parts. Each part bears a number and one is blank. The numbers are given on the basis of certain rule. They follow certain rule. You have to find out the number among the given alternatives and indicate the correct sequence. So that means actually here this also based on some pattern, numbers pattern itself only, but actually here a figure is divided into the parts. So each part will be actually filled with a number. So one of the part will be missing, that missing number. The missing number we need to find out using the some definite rule, some certain rule, some pattern we need to find out. This is very, very important. This is very, very important also. This is also very, very important. Right. So now let us move to the 11th question. 11th question. 11th question. Let us move to the 11th question now. 11th question. Okay. This is the question. See, here a figure divided into the 4 parts and each part is filled with the numbers. Actually here 7, 2, 42, 3, 9, 1, 18, 2 and next one is 5, -2 and question mark and -3. Question mark we need to find out. From the first 2 figures we need to follow the rule. So if you establish the rule, the same rule can be applied for the third figure also. So let us try to figure it out the actually here rule. So how to figure it out the rule means actually first select the smallest numbers here. So you need either you need to apply the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division or squares or cubes, all the, how could we get with the help of this 7, 2, 3, this 42 number, we will get it. That we will try to figure it out. So for example, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. No, it's wrong. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 into 3, 27. No. 7 into 3 is 21, 21 into 2, yes, 42, right, absolutely correct. So that means from the first figure we have the 42 is equal to, we can write 7 into 2 into 3. 7 2 ja 14, 14 3 ja 42. So now you can try next figure, 9 into 1 into 2. So 18, yes, the same rule can be applied for this figure also. So you can apply. Here the question mark is equal to, you can write 5 times negative 2 multiplied with negative 3. So this is equal to 5 times 2 into 3, 6, negative into negative, positive, 5 6 ja 30. So the missing number is 30. So our option is, third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. I hope you might have followed. So that means first two figures follow the certain rule. Same rule has to be applied for the third figure also. Using the same rule, that is also called pattern. The same pattern has to be applied for the third one in order to determine the actually unknown number, that is called question mark, that we need to find out. Okay, let us move to add another question now. Let us move to the 12th question, 12th one. 12th one, right, this is the 12th one, right. See the 12th one, 5 6 7 3 4 5 9 10 11 345 660 and question mark. So now rows are there, here columns are there. So just if you observe any pattern is behind in the rows or columns, that we need to check. So for example, bigger numbers are then in the last row. So that's why you try with the columns itself only. See here we have 345, here 660. See for example, it 9 and if you multiply 9 and 5, 10 and 6, you get 60 and 45. Last two digits of the number can be obtained by multiplying the numbers with the first row and second row. First row and second row elements, actually that is in first column. In the similar pattern, 10 into 6 60. So 7 into 11 is 77. Last two digits is 77. So that means obviously the fourth option is the right option. So that means in actually you see 9 into 5 is equal to pattern 45. Second column 10 into 6 is equal to 60. These two are the last two digits of two digits of 345 and 660. You can observe 45 and 60. So in the similar pattern, so next 11 into 7, 77 should be the, as for the pattern, as for the rule, should be the last two digits of number. Last two digits of number. Last two digits of the number. That means by observing the options, last two digits 55 ruled out, first option has been eliminated. In second one, last two digits 75 ruled out, third option 35 ruled out. So obviously 477 is our answer. I hope it's very clear, right? So let us move to yet another question now. 13th question. 13th question, right. So this is the 13th question. 13th question, see 4, 9, 8, 10 and 58. So how could you relate this 9, 4, 10, 8 to the 58. That means what sort of operations are to be applied on 4, 9, 4, 8, 9, 10 in order to get 58. In the similar pattern, by following this same pattern has to be applied in order to find out the question mark, a missing number here. See, let us check it out now. Now here see, this is 13th one. So for example, if you multiply these two numbers, 9 10 ja 90, 9 4 ja 36, 80, 80 plus 36 is very bigger number you are getting. So that cannot be entertained here. So let us try like this, 9 10 ja, write down first of all, 9 10 ja is 90, 8 4 ja 32. So if you add, you will be getting 112, but 112 is not there here. So that's why let us try now here. So 90 minus 32, subtract it, let us check it. So now borrow 10, this will be 8, 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, yes 58, absolutely correct. That means in the similar pattern actually here see, again you will write 58 it is equal to 9 times 10 minus 8 times 4. This is the certain rule or pattern. The same pattern has to be followed to find out this question mark. See, the question mark is equal to what sort of pattern? 15 times 10. So these two numbers are multiplied and these two numbers are multiplied. So actually what we need to do? So we need to subtract the product of 9 into 8 from the product of 15 into 10. 15 into 10 and minus, you will be getting 9 into 8. Yes, Rutvik, welcome. So welcome to my class. Actually, tell me what is the answer you will be getting. 150 and minus 72. Generally, the last digit will be, unit digit will be 8. So you need to find out, you need not find out total value. Here see, and 10 minus 2 is 8. Only the unit digit as 8 is second option only. First option, third option, fourth option will be eliminated. So our answer is 78. So second option is the right option. Right. Next, let us move to yet another question. 14th question now. 14th question. Right. 14th question. All of you go through the question. First of all, read the question. Rutvik, are you there? Yes, give your answer. What is your answer? Give your answer. So what is your answer? What is your answer? Oh, very good, very good, very good. So go to the 14th question now. 14th question. See the 14th question. Here we have 4, 6, 3, 8, 2, 8, 4, 4, 6, 5, question mark and 10. So now we need to establish the relation. So what sort of relation do you establish here? By establishing the relation, we could find a pattern or certain rule. The same rule has to be applied in order to find out the question mark. So those that kind of strategy need to be followed here. Rutvik, are you there? What's your answer? Next one, next question, 14th question. So others also need to respond. Others also need to respond. Right. See, my dear students, for example, 4, 6, 4 plus 6, 10, 8 plus 3 is 11 you are getting. If you multiply 4 into 6, 24, 8 into 3 also 24. 2 8 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 6 5 ja 30. That means the question mark multiplied by 10 also you need to get 30. So that means what value should be multiplied to 10 to get 30? That is actually obviously 3. Our answer is first one. So let us try. Here see, 4 into 6. Actually in first row, first column and second column elements is product is 24. In the similar manner, 3 into 8 is 24. Clear? Let us try for the second row. First column, second column element, 2 8 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16. Same, go to the third row, 6 5 ja 30, Next, question mark into 10 must be equal to 30. Question mark means nothing but x, you can say. So you can write like this: x into 10 equals to 30. Unknown number is x. So now divide by 10 on both sides, or x equals to 30 upon 10. So 10 1 ja 10, 10 3 ja. So 3 upon 1 is 3. So the question mark is equal to 3. So first option is the right option. Rutvik, are you there? Others, Prudvi, are you there? Vijay, Archana. Right. Shivaji, are you there? Right. Next question is, let us move to the 15th question now. 15th question. Wait for a while. Okay. This is the 15th question. You try to figure it out, this question now. 15th question. I will give the 1 minute time to you. Don't worry. Srinivas, very good Srinivas. Wonderful, wonderful. Good job, good job. Now go to the 15th question now. 15th question. So let us write the solution. First, try to figure it out, the pattern or the certain rule from the two figures. The same has to be applied for the third figure, so as to find out the question mark. Let me repeat for the late viewers. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, okay. 5 1 ja 5, 5 into negative 1 is negative 5, okay, yes, satisfied. Right now the first figure is, we can write like this: 2 times 3 times 5 equals to 30, right? And next 5 times 1 times and negative 1 equals to negative 5. We need question mark, that is equal to 4 times 3 times negative 1. So 4 3 are 12, 12 times negative 1. So positive into negative, negative, 12 1 are 12. So this is the right answer. So which is the right option actually here? Negative 12. That is the second option is the right option. Okay, 15th question has been completed. Now let us move to next question now. Next 16th question. Let us move to the 16th question now. 16th question. 16th question. Right, 16th question. Right. Let us try to figure it out, this question now. Okay, Rutvik. Right. Stravanti, Archana, Sivani. Right. Vijay, Srinivas, Rutvik, are you there? Respond yourself. Respond yourself. Respond yourself. So just observe, 36 is a perfect square. 36 is a 6 square. Here 16 is also perfect square, 4 square. Here 64 is also perfect square, 8 square. So these are the observations can be made during while we are solving these sort of problems. Okay. But how do we get this 36? With the help of 15, 22 and 16 and 19. That means we need to get 6 into 6. So from these two numbers, generally subtracting will get it. 15 minus 9 will be 6. Okay. 22 minus 16 is 6. Okay, absolutely correct. So that means from the first figure we have like this: 15 minus 9 multiplied with 22 minus 16, that is equal to 6 into 6, 6 square, 36. Okay, satisfied. So now here 13 minus 9 is 4 times, and 11 minus 7, that is also 4. Okay, 4 times 4, 16, absolutely correct. In the similar pattern, the question mark minus 15 multiplied with 21 minus 13, that will be question mark minus 15 multiplied with 8 equal to 64. Obviously, this must be 8. This must be 8. Yes, what is actually in the place of question mark, you write down x. So, you get a beautiful equation, linear equation. X minus 15 is equal to 8. This must be actually 8 into 8 only. So, this is 8 only. So, x minus 15 is equal to 18. So, now x equals to 8 plus 15. So, obviously 23 is the answer. The missing number is 23. See, 21 minus 13 is 8, 23 minus 15 is 8, 8 is 64. It satisfies the condition. Yes, Srinivas, I think so. This is third option. No, not third option. First option is the right option, Mr. Srinivas. Right. Right. Let us move to the next 17th question now. 17th question. Right. 17th question. 17th one. Right. 17th question. Okay. Try to figure it out. 17th question now. Are you there, all of you? Just all of you look at the screen carefully. Look at the screen carefully. The question number is 17, 51, 63, 29, 26, 14, 48 and next 5, 8 and question mark. Right. So, just find the sum of these three numbers. Let us see what do we get. 51 plus 26 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11, 12. Okay. This will be 5 plus 2, 7 plus 82. Now, in order to get 0 here, it should be multiplied with 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 8 is 44, 10. Yes, we are getting same pattern. Right. So, that means actually you can write like this. Solution. What is the solution we can have here? 51 plus 26 plus 5. Okay, multiply with this 5. See what do we get now here? That is 82 multiplied with 5. We are getting 410. So, can it be applied for the second column? Can be applied for the second column, that we need to check it out. So, 63 plus 14 plus 8 multiplied with 8. So, if it is follows, the same pattern can be applied for this question mark. We can apply for this one. Right now 63 plus 14 plus 8. 8 plus 4 12, 15, right, 8, 85. 85 multiplied with 8. 8 5 is 40, right, 8 5 is 40. 64, 680. Yes, absolutely correct. Same pattern has to be applied here. So, 29 plus 48 plus question mark multiplied with the question mark. We should get 588. We should get 588. This is a very beautiful question. Very beautiful question this is. See now the 29 plus 48 is 17, actually 77. So, 77 plus question mark is write down x, this also x equal to 588. Now, you need to check the options. You can check with the options now. See, if you put 9 here, 77 plus 9 is first option. 77 plus 9 is 86. 86 into 9. No, 9 6 actually 54 you will be getting. First option eliminated. Go to second option. 77 plus 6. 77 plus 6 is 63. Sorry, 83. 83 into 6, yes, you will be getting 6 3 ja 18, 49, 498, no, wrong. Obviously, fourth one will be the right option. Yes, fourth one will be the right option. So, options are to be actually checked here. Options are to be checked here. Yes, the question mark is equal to, you get 7. 7. It should be 7. Okay, let us move to 18th question now. 18th question. 18th one. Right, 18th question. This is the 18th one. See the question number 18. So all of you look at the question, try to figure it out. Yes, 15th is 7. Absolutely correct, Srinivas. What about Rutvik? Are you there? Right, 18th one. Let us try to figure it out. 18th one. See, here only missing number is in row 1 plus 2 3, okay, 4 plus 5 9, not wrong. Now row cannot be applied, column you check. 1 plus 4 5 12 you are getting. 7 into 4 is 28, 28 minus 1 you do it, 27. 8 5 ja 40, 40 minus 2 38, 9 6 ja 54, 54 minus 3 is our answer. Yes. Now the pattern has been actually figured out, so that we can find out now here. 4 into 7 minus 1, 28 minus 1, yes, 27. And next in the similar pattern, 8 5 ja 40, 40 minus 2, 40 minus 2 is equal to 38. We need question mark, unknown value, that is 9 6 ja 9 into 6 minus 3, 54 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 50 plus 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 1, 51, or 54 minus 3 is 51. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Right. So 19th question. Let us move to the 19th question now. 19th one. See the 19th question. Right. See, does it follow the same pattern or not? We need to check once again. 28, 60, 48, 5, 6, 7, 14, 39 and 27, 7 and question mark and 16 is given actually here. Okay. Right. Okay, now let us check this row wise now. Row wise, right. Right. This is called first row, second row, third row, fourth row. This is called first column, second column, third column. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. This is first column, second column, third column. See, now with the help of these two values, how could you get this 48? Let us check. If you add 20 to the 28, you will get 48. But how do you get 20 from 60? Yes, if you just make it three parts. 1/3 of 60. 1/3 of 60 is 20. 20 plus 28, 48. Now in the similar pattern, what is the 1/3 of 6? 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Yes, we got it. What is the 1/3 of 39? 1/3 of 39 is 13. 13 plus 14 is 17. Yes. So now let us apply the same pattern here. So what is the pattern do we apply here? So 28 plus 1/3 of 60, 1/3 into 60. So 28 plus 320 ja, so 48. Yes, okay. So this pattern has been satisfied. Go for the next one. 5 plus 1/3 of 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes, okay. Got it. Let us check for next one also. 14 plus 1/3 of 39. Right. 14 plus 13 is 27. Same now we need to apply for this one also. 7 plus 1/3 of question mark. Question mark is equal, let us say x. So equal to 16 you will be getting. This is the equation we need to solve. So this is x upon 3 equal to 16 minus 7. That will be 9. So x by 3 equals to actually 9. By cross multiplication takes place. X is equal to 9 3 ja. Obviously our answer is 27. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. What about others not responding? Right. Now the 20th question. 20th question. So 20th question. Right. This is the 20th question. Now this is also 3 5 7 4 9 8 2 3 question mark 5 11 10. Right. Any pattern is there now that we need to observe, right? 3 plus 2 5 5 no, 8 minus 1 7, 13 minus 1 is 12. No, let us go like this now. 4 2 ja 8, 8 minus 3, 9 3 ja 27 minus 5. Okay. 3 plus 4 7, 7 minus 2 5, 9 into 5 45, 9 plus 5 14, 14 minus 3. Okay, got it now. Got it. Right. So here pattern we have 3 plus 4 and minus 2. So that equal to 7 minus 2 5. Okay. Satisfy this one 5. So next this is 5 plus 9 minus 3. Let us see what do we get. 14 minus 3, that will be 11. Right, 11. So in the similar pattern, what shall we write for here? 7 plus 8 minus question mark is equal to 10. Let us say question mark is x. Right, no problem. 15 minus x is equal to 10. Now transposing negative x this side, 10 this side. 15 minus 10 is equal to x. So therefore x equal to 15 minus 10 is 5. So question mark equal to 5. So our answer is fourth one. Fourth one. Right. Next, let us move to right. Now we have completed up to 20 questions now. Right, Srinivas? 51, yes. Right. Next 21 to 30 are different questions that we are going to discuss now. Right. So first let us study the directions. Directions are very important. Instructions are very important. Once again, actually I suggest all the NMMS students, we are going to appear in the November examination or different competitive entrance examination, first go through the instructions carefully, then only you start to actually attempt the questions first. See here, in these questions, first two given words are related in some way. Same relation exists in between the third and fourth word. Find out the word among the given alternative indicates your correct alternative. The same way means actually in logical reasoning they are called analogy. Analogy. So they may be word analogy or figure based word analogy or number analogy, or we have figure analogy. It may be. Analogy means same, you remember, analogous, same, right. That means first two words, first word, second word, third word, fourth word. First word, same word related with some pattern, some logic is there. Similarly, how could we say that third one is related to fourth? Same relation has to be applied for the third and fourth. Then missing word or missing number or missing figure we need to find out. So let us go for the questions now. So first question now. Let us move to the first question. That is the 21st question. 21st question. See 21st question. So let me write once again. Boy is related to man. Next, girl is related to whom? That we need to find out, question mark. So that means, my dear students, boy becomes man, the girl becomes what? So boy is after attaining some age, he may be called as the man, is called as man. The similar pattern, girl, very simple that is. So boy is related to man, girl is related to woman. So that is woman. So third option is the right option. Here analogy is actually woman. 21st completed. 22nd. 22nd. See the 22nd. See the 22nd one. Hand is related to the gloves or glouses, same as here. Next one is what? Next one is foot. Sorry, this is foot. F-O-O-T, foot is related to what? See, hand actually, gloves, hand, we generally we wear gloves to our hand. For foot actually we can use socks. Socks. So not a pant, pant eliminated. Nail, not nail. Thumb is incorrect. So by eliminating the options also we will get the answer. So socks is the right answer. Socks. Foot is related to socks. Hand is related to the gloves. So next 23rd. 23rd is very important. Very important. A upon Z is related to the 25. In the same manner, C by T is related to what? See, my dear students, you need to remember the coding letters now. A, B, C, D, E, F. Like that we need to remember coding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, always remember T, you know that cricket match T20, T for 20, T20, remember T is 20, Z is 26 letter, simply you can write. So how do you relate A by Z is becomes 25 means A code number is 1, Z code number is 26. How do you get 25? With the help of 1 and 26, very simple manner. Subtract 26 from subtract 1 from 26. 26 minus 1, you are getting 25. This is the rule. The same rule has to be applied for this one also. Here C means 3 upon 20. So now the question mark is equal to 20 minus 3. 20 minus 3 will be absolutely 17, because T20, 3 upon 20 is 20 minus 3. So 17, this is the pattern answer. So 17 is the right answer. Yes, Rutvik, after long time are you there? Yes. Srinivas, you are doing well. Very good. 24th question. 24th question is based on figure. Okay, figure analogy. Right. No problem. You can easily find out. Don't worry. Don't worry. See, this is the actually four-sided figure. Sir, it's open, closed figure only. Open figure is this is closed figure. It must be open figure. That's only. So, but pattern we need to observe. See, in this one first figure we have the pattern. How many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 line segments. So 4 line segments is related to 1, 2, 3, 4 line segments is same as, so 1, 2, 3, it should be 3. So 3 is related to 3 only. You count actually 1, 2, 3, 4. No, wrong. This is 1, 2, wrong. This is 3, wrong. How many line segments? 1, 2, 3. So 4th is the right option. As for the number of line segments, now we need to figure it out, this one. This is the certain rule actually has been following this analogy actually in respective of this analogy. That means these two figures have, first two figures, these two figures have actually 4 line segments. 4 line segments. They are formed with the help of 4 line segments. Obviously, these must be 3 line segments. 3 line segments. Obviously, 3 line segments means N, letter N itself only. Right. Next, let us move to the 25th question. 25th one. Okay, 25th. This is the 25th one. See, ABE related to BCF. How does MPU is related? That we need to figure it out. See the combination actually here. First AB relation you see. See A after plus 1, A, B after B. So next B plus 1, C, E plus F, 1, adding 1 you will get 1. Similarly, M plus 1, that will be N. Next P plus 1, PQ, Q. Next U plus 1, V, NQV. Our required is NQV. MPU is related to NQV. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. First option is the right option. So now let us move to the 26th one. 26th one. 26th one. This is also figure based, right, analogy. Anybody, what is your answer? Do you want to respond? Are you able to solve this question, 26th question? 25th question. 25th we need to solve, and we'll go back also next. Right. So what is the pattern do you observe? See, my dear students, actually this is a triangle, right? So this is also triangle. After that, for each vertex, generally 3 dots were actually placed at the end of the 3 vertices. This is a square. According to this pattern, each vertex means this one, each vertex 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 points or dots are to be kept on the 4 vertices of this figure. So this is our required figure. This is related to this one. So obviously the first option is the right option. First option is the right option. I hope it is very clear to you. Now 25th we have missed. Now let us try to find out 25th also. Now 25th one. 25th question, right. 25th question. This is the 25th question. ABE is related to BCF in the same way MPU is related to. Already we have completed 25th also, right. Already we have completed 25th. Okay, completed. This one completed now. Okay, MPU is related to NQV, not NQP, NQV. 27th. So 27th. This is a 27th one, right. 27th question. Yes, Rutvik, are you there? Yes, try to figure it out this question. See, PQR is related to ONM in the same manner DEF is related to. Okay, now the first, actually if you write the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 1 minute, I will. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, right. See, how do you relate P and O? P and O means P is actually back, we need to go for. So one step, -1. Next QN, how many steps? Q, 1, 2, 3 steps. So next one step, Q is how many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 3 steps, -3. And RM means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 steps. 5 steps backwards we need to move. So in the similar manner, actually see, D is for 1 step backwards, E is 3 steps backwards, F is 5 steps backwards. So from D 1 step back, that is actually C, you will be getting C. Yes, first letter is C. First letter start with C means actually the first option eliminated, BAC, fourth option eliminated, either second or third option. Two options are left over here. So this is called elimination process. So next actually here C, E, 3 steps back. 3 steps back means 1, 2, 3, B, C, B. Obviously CB is the right answer. Next actually we need to move F, negative 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So CBA is the right answer. So that means second option is the right option. Next 28th question. 28. Right. This is the 28th question. So all of you look at the question carefully. Pond related to water. Pond is related to water. Generally we can find water in the pond, right? In the same way, library. What do you find in the library? That relation we need to find out. Given options. Almara okay, chair also okay, book also okay, paper also okay, but actually major importance is books. We can write in actually library, we shall keep the books. Different kinds of books are being kept in the libraries. So that means book is very, very important. Pond is related to the water. In the same way, library is related to the book. So my dear students, book is the right answer. But you may get confusion, even paper also you can find, almara also you can find out, you can find chairs also, but here relation is book relation. Generally the books are kept in the different kinds of books are kept in libraries. 29th question. 29th question. Right, 29th question. Right. See the 29th question. 29th question. 2 upon 3 is related to the 8. In the same manner, how do you relate 4 upon 2 to the question mark? That relation has to be actually here explored. See, 8 means nothing but 2 cube. See, here we can write 8 is equal to, here numerator, denominator, numerator to the power of denominator you can write 2 cube, you will get 8. So the question mark will be obviously what you can write here, 4 square. So the question mark is equal to 4 square, 16. Our answer will be 16 as per our pattern. Right, 16 is the right answer. So today we shall discuss up to 30 questions. Remaining questions tomorrow at least 30 questions in part 2. 30th question now. See here. Okay, go through this question first of all of you go through this question, try to figure it out. You can share your answer also during live chat. I am waiting for your answers. I am waiting for your answers. DG is related to the 47. In the same way, BI is related to, that we need to figure it out. See my dear students, D is A, B, C, D. D is 4. G7 nations. G code is 7. So 47. So B code is 2. I is, what is the code for I? That we need to find out. H is 8, G, I is 9, so 9. So that's why 29. BI is related to the 29. 29. So answer is third one. Okay, I hope you might have followed the 30 questions. So once again, watch this video. If you have any doubt, you can chat with me in the offline session. Also, you can chat with me. Then I will go through your doubts. So you can ask in the next session also. Tomorrow same time we will be having 4 o'clock, 4 or 3:45 to 4:45 or 5 o'clock. The class will be continued. So please stay tuned for our further classes. So all the best. It will be useful for all the RRB examination and all kind of SSC CGL examination. It will be useful for different kinds of entrance examination, not only NMMS. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.